Changing money. I'd like to exchange some money. What would you like to exchange? I'd like to change some euros to US dollars. How much would you like to exchange? I'd like to exchange 3,000 euros. I'm afraid our limit here is 2,000 euros. You can try the exchange at the bank. I really don't have time to go to the bank. I'll exchange 2,000 for now. The euro is showing an exchange of 1.18 on the dollar. So how much American? That works out to approximately 2,700 US dollars. I can start with that and exchange the rest later. We also charge a 3.5% fee for exchange. I see. Is that on the total amount of exchange or for each dollar exchange? That's the fee we charge on the total exchange. So minus the fees, how much is the total exchange? Minus our fees, the total exchange from euro to US dollar will give you approximately 2,600 American. All right, I'll take it. I'll be right back with your money.